Hey guys, I am Joly Tematio, and in today's video I really want to deconstruct 4 myths which we've been told again and again and again when it comes to building a profitable online business. Okay, these are myths which are probably keeping you stuck and struggling in your online business and which are stopping you from seeing the momentum and the result that you deserve and that you're looking for. Okay, so the first myth that people are used and which keep them stuck is the fact that they are focusing on selling low ticket offer. Okay, they will focus their effort in selling stuff which will earn them anything between $30 to $50. Okay, and they lie the real reason why you are not seeing momentum in your business. Okay, because by selling those low ticket offers, it takes a huge effort in order to hit a 5-figure goals, for example. Okay, on the other hand, if you were to focus only on high ticket offer, these are offers which allow you to earn anything between 1,000 to 3,000 per sales. Okay, and by leveraging those high ticket offers, you are able to scale and grow your business fast to the 5-figure mark. Okay, and that's why I always advise to focus on high ticket offers first. Okay, especially when you are looking to get to the next level in your business, or if you are just starting out and you want to fast track your path to success. Okay, start with high ticket offer which will allow you to earn more on the back end. And it might be mind-boggling, but it takes more or less the same skills, the same time, and the same effort to sell someone a $50 product to a $2,000 product. Okay, at the end of the day, you are the only variable, and I want you to focus your time and energy on learning the skills to be able to close those high ticket sales, because that's ultimately what's going to allow you to hit that 5-figure mark easily and stop being stuck and struggling in your business, doing a lot of hard work without seeing any result on the back end. Okay, so focus on high ticket offer. The second huge mistake that I see a lot of internet marketer and affiliate marketer do out there is they promote their company that they are working for and they do not promote themselves. That's a huge one, because you want to understand that people do not buy product, people buy leadership. Okay, and you have to be able to demonstrate quality of leadership in order for people to buy from you. And how do you demonstrate quality of leadership? Well, you do so simply by showing up consistently with value. Okay, you want to create a know, like, and trust factor which allow people to understand and realize that you are the right person to help them achieve whatever it is that they're struggling with. Okay, and beside the know, like, and trust factor, which is what everyone focuses on, you also have to demonstrate that you are competent enough to help them. Okay, for example, if I am currently suffering from a heart disease, okay, I know, like, and trust my mother, but I also know that she doesn't have the skills to help me with my heart disease. So I'll go to a professional health doctor and ask him for help with my disease, right? And that's the same thing which happened with people, because many people out there, they just focus on building that know and like trust factor with their community or with their following or with their list, but they are not showing competence in whatever it is that they're trying to sell to those people. Okay, so even though you've built that know and like trust factor, you always have to make sure that you're demonstrating competence in whatever it is that you're trying to help people with. Okay, and that's easy to do once you put time to invest in yourself and learn the skills which are required to perform at the highest level in whatever it is that you're promoting. So, for example, let's say that you're promoting a weight loss product. Okay, you first start out by building that know and like trust factor by educating people around why they need to lose weight, how they can easily lose weight, and so forth and so on. But you also demonstrate competence by showing them how-tos which are easily actionable and which will allow them to get the result faster simply by following those advices from you. Okay, and that's basically how you show those leadership skills. So no matter if you are promoting a X or Y product, you'll be able to put that X or Y product in front of them and they will buy from you because they trust you. They know that you have the competence to help them alleviate that pain that they're currently going through. And once you've built that know, like, and trust, and also competence factor with your target market, it becomes effortless to sell anything to them. On the other hand, if you were to push in front of them the product and be like, oh, this is an amazing product, you just buy it and you will solve your problem, they will be like, why should I even buy it from you? Why should I trust you? Why? I mean, I don't even know why I should listen to you in the first place, right? And that's the reason why you always want to invest in yourself, learn the skills, and promote yourself. Promote yourself as the leader, as the go-to figure. Now, the third myth when it comes to internet marketing, be it affiliate or network marketing, is when people plug into a system or a done-for-you program, they just use the program as it is because they sell it to you as a money in the box. Okay, but what you have to understand is that they sell the same box to thousands and tens of thousands of other marketers out there. So how do you differentiate yourself? You differentiate yourself by creating your own sales funnel, okay? You don't want to be plugging in and using the sales funnel which are given to you by the company that you're currently promoting. That's a huge mistake because everyone else is doing the same, okay? Other marketers out there are using the same sales funnel to promote that product. That funnel might be high converting and whatever, but given that your prospects have seen it already, it does not entice them anymore to opt in, okay? And doing so will only leave you competing with tens of thousands of other marketers out there. So what you want to be doing instead is to create your own sales funnel because it is key if you want to create momentum in your business and get to those 5-year mark fast and predictably, okay? And the fourth and final myth is actually traffic, okay? Because traffic is the blood of every online business. If you're not able to get eyeballs on your offer, it doesn't matter how good you are at leadership. It doesn't matter how good you are at building know, like, and trust. It doesn't matter how optimized your funnel is. If you're not able to get the right targeted traffic to see what you've got to offer to them, okay? And unfortunately, we still have those outdated strategies which are still being taught by internet gurus out there and which will only lead you to spending hundreds and thousands of dollars trying to make things work for you, trying to generate income out of them, but leaving you in the dust, leaving you with a negative ROI. I know it for myself because my first year marketing online was tough. I was following the path which was given to me by gurus, but I would always end up in the red. I'll never be able to be profitable on my advertising, and it really sucked, okay? And what is even more amazing is that once you've mastered the skills of traffic generation, everything flows smoothly, okay? Because you are then able to generate traffic using both free traffic methods or paid traffic method. But in any case, you have lead flowing to your funnel, okay? You can leverage social media to generate free leads, okay? Be it Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can leverage those platforms to generate free leads to your business, or you can generate also paid traffic and running ads. And when it comes to paid ads, you always want to make sure that you are able to acquire a customer for free anyway. And basically means that for every dollar that you spend on an ad to acquire a customer, you are either able to break even right on the front end or make money on the back end, because this will allow you to generate those customers for free and be able to reinvest into your marketing and go so much faster, okay? And I've actually written an ebook which really goes into how to leverage paid traffic and free traffic to build a successful online business, okay? I truly believe that the content of this ebook is definitely going to be a game changer in your marketing strategy, okay, guys? And what is even cooler is that you will get an opportunity to be selected for my one-on-one 90 days free mentorship program, which is designed to help you hit the 5-year mark in your business as fast as humanly possible. But this will only happen if you qualify, okay? So for now, just click on the link, get your free ebook, and start implementing those strategies to be able to get a massive return on your ad spend, okay? And start generating free leads into your business consistently and really reverse engineer this format and really start using them to build and grow and skyrocket your business in 2020, guys. I totally believe that we have everything that we need to make this year the best year possible, okay, guys? Click on the link below. It's gonna be somewhere around this page. It might be up, down, on the right, on the left, I don't know. But click on the link, tap the button, and I will see you on the other side, okay? Bye.